Hello, come on in and welcome. This is Caldera Creative Creations. Thanks for stopping by to check out my channel. I got another beauty going on for everybody. We are working with the Wreath and we are working with a ribbon which I made. Wow. Okay, and we got some of these assorted little hats and little signs. We also are working with some berries. We got some greenery and some poinsettias. We got pine cones. We got some Christmas bulbs in the caboodle stick. We got some berries. Okay, with that said, let's get this beauty started. Happy holidays, everybody. Thanks for coming to my channel, like always. I appreciate being here with you guys. Ooh, holidays. Let's put all this greenery in here. Get on the sides because we're going to be putting the Mr. Snowman's in here. I mean, maybe quite. Let's see. We are going to put this one right here. I'm just going to adjust it with these. Right there. Mr. Frosty the Snowman's hat. Okay. And then I am going to adjust another one up here. Excuse me. It's starting to get cold over here. I like it though. Okay, and then we're going to get another sign right here. Oh my, look at this, huh? Hold on, don't forget to step back in. Visualize. Okay, I think we got to move this one a little over here, okay? Not so close. Okay, now, let me see. Let's try some poinsettias. The poinsettias in here. Balance everything out. Just come out to a beautiful arrangement. Wow. Okay, let's get some of these Christmas bulbs in here. That's what they're called, Christmas bulbs. There. Here. Okay, and then another one right in here. Yay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's start filling in with some of these berries. Going up here. Some over here. Balance everything out. Oh, wow. Look at how beautiful this is coming. Wow. Uh-oh. No, I was going to put something else there. Beautiful. We also got, let me see what I need up here. There we go. Pine cones. Let's go wild with the pine cones. Yes, indeed. We're going to go wild with the pine cones. Beautiful, beautiful. Da-da-da. Ooh, look at how beautiful this is coming. Wow, what is that in there? Got a piece of... Check this out, everybody. Wow. So beautiful, huh? Yes, indeed. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Ay. Okay, I love that sound of that. Sounds so neat. See? Sounds so neat. Okay, let's get the rest of these greeneries, and I think we got it, everybody. Uh-oh. Yeah. Where else does it need some fillers? There. Here. Oh, wow. They're so pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to pin this beauty up. Good thing I'll fall off. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, my. Woo! Okay, hang on. Adjust my camera for everybody. And bam. Woo! Look at that. Surprises over there. How's that looking, everybody? 1 minute, just my camera. Right there. Okay. Wow. How beautiful, huh? Just use your imagination and be creative, and a beauty would come out. Once again, everybody be safe and be happy and have a fun, festive Christmas. And once again, thanks to my subscribers and all you viewers for checking out my channel. Much appreciation and much thanks. Happy holidays. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Wow. See ya.